Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can gift a game on Steam to your friend. It's pretty simple. So after you open Steam, make sure you go on the store section, and from your store section you can choose which game you want to gift your friend. So I'm going to choose a game which I want to gift my friend. So it is going to be FIFA, alright? So this is the game I want to gift. I'm going to click on this game and then it's going to show me the game. And I can scroll a bit down and you can see there's two options, $69 and $99. Which one do I want to give to my friend? Let's say I want to give this $69 one. I can click on in cart. Once I click on in cart, it's going to take me over here. Now I have two options, whether I can purchase it for myself or purchase it as a gift. I want to gift it to my friend, so I will click on purchase as a gift. Once I click on it, it's going to ask me to enter my friend's name. So I need to search my friend's name over here and select the friend and click on continue. On the next step, it's going to ask me to enter a gift note, which means like anything I want, like why I'm gifting him. If you want to, enter the reason, you can. If you don't want to, you can skip it. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to enter your payment information because you need to pay for the game. And after you pay for the game, it's going to confirm your payment and then your game will be sent to whoever friend's name you selected from here. That is how you guys can gift games on Steam. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.